guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Happy spring. Guys, while we are spring cleaning, getting our house together, getting our flowers and tulips and all that good stuff, we cannot forget about our body. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my spring body cleanse. Stay tuned. So guys, here are all my ingredients. Apple cider vinegar, a bottle of spring water, a washed and unpeeled cucumber. You want to keep the skin on because the skin has all the nutrients. 1 cup of aloe vera, fresh lemon juice, fresh garlic, parsley, and cilantro. Basically, I'm going to add all these to my blender and just blend it all up. Guys, my spring body cleanse. Please let me know if you try this cleanse and how did you like it. Until next time, I thank you guys for watching. One love.